Hello, this is Norecia from Options Trading University. This video is about fundamental analysis. I will demonstrate to you where to find the fundamental information on various stocks that you're trading. Okay, so what we'll do is we will look and go to the Analyze tab, come down and click on Fundamentals. Okay, and this tells you just about everything you need to know about the stock. Okay, sometimes they're closed, all of them are closed like this. All you have to do is click on the arrow so we can drop down. All right, so what this part does is tells you what the rating agencies think about the stock. This stock that I'm looking at is a Disney stock, okay? Because sometimes you do want to know what you need to know what you're trading. The company profile, so it basically gives you an overview of what the company does, including the website, address, everything. Okay, let me put this up. By the numbers, it gives you all the numbers quarterly, how it's been doing, earnings per share, if it's profitable, everything, the market cap, all the numbers that you would need to know. Or if you want to really get deep into it, but this is where you find all the numbers. Okay. The company details, it tells you other things, what percentage. Okay, like ESPN channels, 27%. But this is what I really want you to take a look at. What drives the stock? This is a great feature because while we're looking at fundamental analysis, you always hear me say there's something called practical analysis. That's where all the news and different events can change the direction of a stock. Okay, so what we're looking at is what drives this stock. Okay, so we have 32% is the parks and resorts. We have the ESPN channels. You have Disney Studios, the products, the ABC broadcasting. You see how much percentage goes into this actual stock. So you're like, okay, so why is this important? If you hear something about parks and resorts and some kind of news come out stating, and this is just an example, let's say the news comes out and states that all of the rides are now questionable as far as their integrity, and safety for the guests in all the parks because one person, let's say that makes roller coasters or whatever, they have a major defect in whatever it is that you're using, and parks and resorts are a part of this, it will hit all of the stocks in that sector. And Disney having 32% of its company tied up in parks and resorts, they would get hit. So you do need to take a look at what actually drives your stocks, especially the ones that are in your watch list. Let's look at Google, I think. Let's see what Google has. If they have anything that drive theirs. Okay. If there's anything, that's their numbers. I don't see anything on Google because that's just internet. Let's see, Netflix is one that should have one. Okay. All right. What drives the stock? So Netflix has it. And what drives Netflix stock is their subscriptions. All right. So we have the US streaming, that right now is at 54%. And then we have the international streaming, that's at 47. Of course, you have some small percentage of DVD subscriptions. So now you know what literally drives this stock. Okay. Let's see if we find another one. Let's look at Wynn. It is a resort, but let's look at it anyway. What drives Wynn? You have the games. You see, hotels, slot games, all of these things. These are what drives the stock. I think this is a very good feature, especially for those of you who are just learning, because I keep telling you, you must know your stocks, and this will help you getting to know the various stocks that you are placing on your watch list. All right, so that's how we find our fundamental analysis. I hope this helps. Give me a call if you have any questions. 340-514-3634.